Black and white found a new spot to rest. Well, it's a good thing I didn't have any plants in there. Black and white, what are you doing there? Is that your new spot? Oh, look at that. Black and white? Oops, I think I threw the stay in. Oh, black and white wants to play now. Ah, say something. Yes. What? So that's your new spot, black and white? Black and white wants to play. Black and white? Yes. What? You do not want to be disturbed. That's it. Or you want to play? Which one? You do not want to be disturbed? Huh? Okay, no problem. I will allow you to rest in peace. The aroma of the mint. So. Ah, yes. Maybe I should make some mint tea. I think I'm gonna do that. Right? Good idea, black and white? Maybe I should make some mint tea. What? You want to play or you want to rest? Okay, that tells me that you don't want to be disturbed, right? Okay, bye for now. Bye, black and white. Goodbye. I will allow you to rest.